Hello everyone, and welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. I'm Lakshya Kumar, Junior Corporate Outreach Officer here at DBE. We're back with another episode of Internship Stories 2021, where we talk about the achievements and learnings of the students in summer internship program as a part of the flagship MBA program provided by the institute. Department of Business Economics offers a dual specialization in MBA in domains of analytics, finance, marketing, and economics, alongside preparing students to have an analytical acumen used in solving real-world problems. Today we have with us Mr. Gurkirat Singh of Batch 2022, who interned at S&P Global. Hello Gurkirat, we're delighted to have you here.
Hello Lakshya, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
So let's start with the first part of the talk. Can you give us a quick introduction about yourself?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so hi guys, this is Gurkirat Singh and I am from Faridabad. So let me begin by talking about my education. I completed my undergraduation at SRM University, BTech in the field of information technology. And here I'm at the Department of Business Economics to pursue my MBA. Before joining the department, I've also worked at StarCraft as a software development intern for a duration of 5 months. And talking a bit about myself, I love to travel a lot. I have been to many places all throughout India. And talking about my hobbies, I love to watch and play football. And even during my undergraduation, I used to regularly go and watch the Indian Super League's matches at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. And I also like to play badminton from time to time. So yeah, that's a brief introduction about myself.
That's great, Gurkirat. Let's just move on to your involvement in DBE. What committees or clubs are you a part of, and what positions do you hold here at DBE?
Okay, so talking about my involvement at the department, I am an active member of the Public Relations Committee and the Datamatics Club. So I'll explain briefly about these. At the Public Relations Committee, our main aim is to create outreach about the department, and the daily task involves handling social media accounts and covering all the events that take place in the department, getting sponsors for our events and stuff like this. Okay, so talking about the Datamatics Club, the main aim at Datamatics is to impart latest and relevant analytical knowledge to our batch. And even if someone apart from our batch wishes to come and view our social media posts, they can expect a great level of detail and comprehensive knowledge that they can get through our posts. Like for example, right now we have 3 parallel social media posts running, one for core statistics, one for SQL, and one for Microsoft Excel. And we dedicate a large amount of time to make sure which topic that we have to go ahead with, and so that we do not miss out on any important topic as well. So promotional to follow our handles as well. Yeah, so that is all about my involvement at the department.
That's great. You must be busy almost the entire time of the year,
yeah,
since
sure.
PR is always working. So moving on, I wanted to ask if what has been your major learning here at DBE?
Okay, interesting question. So I think I would be correct if I say that ever since all of us joined the department, we have been continuously learning, and I don't think we can pinpoint and say that this day we stopped learning. To answer this question, I think the appropriate thing would be to say that we learn to cope with the new normal, as we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic is going on, and to pursue a postgraduate degree was a first for all of us. So that would be my biggest learning here at the department.
That's great. I really like your thought process. Okay, so before moving on to the next part, what specializations did you opt here at DBE, and why did you choose them?
Okay, so I have decided to go ahead with marketing and analytics as part of my specialization. And why is the interesting question. So of course, I had studied relevant subjects to these specializations previously as well, and I was really fond of them. Talking specifically about why marketing. If a company is unable to market and sell its product, then however well they built it is irrelevant, because it will never be a sustainable business model. So I believe that marketing and sales are a really important part of any organization. And talking about why analytics, I always had a soft spot for analytics, and even in the past I have done several data related projects, and I really hope to make a career in both of these fields. So that is why I decided to opt for these specializations.
That's amazing, Gurkirat. Let's move on to the next part of this conversation, and where we talk about your internship. So you interned at S&P Global. I wanted to ask you, what business does S&P Global have in India?
Okay, to sum it up, the main business that S&P Global does is it provides essential intelligence to all of its clients, and it provides a host of services, and which includes like providing independent credit ratings, provides benchmarkings and data analytics services, and it has many divisions like S&P Global Market Intelligence, S&P Global Platts, S&P Global Dow Jones Indices. So, and it has been providing essential intelligence since the past 100 plus years, and it's going to continue to do so in the future as well. So yeah, that's about it.
All right. So what was your profile there? And tell us something about the project you worked on.
Okay, so I worked as a risk management summer analyst at S&P Global, and I was assigned on two projects. Talking about my first one, I had to provide certain recommendations as to how we could improve on the existing risk data collection and management process, and I provided my valuable inputs to the team. Talking about my second project, I had to handle and like collate and upload content on an internal web page that the company had for an internal list tool that they were using. So yeah, these were my primary projects and a brief about them.
That's great. Maybe that will help our viewers. So yeah, next I wanted to ask, how was your overall experience with the company?
Oh, it was really wonderful. Like, as we know, the internship was entirely virtual due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and I would have definitely liked to complete my internship at the offices. But even though it was virtual, the HR team was able to provide a smooth onboarding process. I primarily worked with the risk operations and the technology risk teams, and I had really amazing teammates and managers because like they were there to provide guidance and mentorship to me whenever I required. And all during my internship, I was constantly in touch with the senior leadership as well. So it was really insightful to gain from their experience as well. And this internship, of course, allowed me to grow on a professional level, but it definitely allowed me to grow on a personal level as well. So yeah, it was truly an amazing experience.
So this was a learning curve for you, right?
Yeah.
So what was your biggest learning here?
My biggest learning, okay, so a new thing here for me was to work in a cross-border stream, like in a cross-country stream. I was working here at Faridabad while majority of my team was working there in the United States. So this was something new for me, and I truly believe that hybrid teams are the way to go forward because like the location from where a person does his job is like highly irrelevant. But the main thing is that the job should get done. So yeah, this was my learning at S&P.
That's great. I think yes, the new normal is this
Yeah,
only.
of course, definitely it's the new normal.
So lastly, how would you describe your internship experience in one word?
Okay, I think I would cheat on this answer and I would like to answer it with two words. Continuous learning would be appropriate to describe my internship experience because each and every day I learned something new. So this is.
That's great. Thank you, Gurkirat. But we also have a bonus question for you.
Oh, that's good.
So the question is, if given an opportunity to practice any profession, what would it be and why?
Okay. Like as I've already mentioned before as well, I would really like to work in the analytics domain because like analytics is all about looking into data, trying to find useful insights. Useful is the keyword here, which will actually allow the business to make better decisions. So I would really like to make a career in the analytics domain, and analytics is used all across the industry. Like it's used in pharmaceutical, in consulting strategy, in IT. It's used everywhere. So like the skill set can be used across various industries as well and various sectors. So specifically, this is something that I'm really looking forward to, and I hope that I can make a good career in this domain.
And that's a great answer, and I hope I can learn from you. I'm also planning a career in an analytical field only.
Sure, do get in touch with me, Lakshya. I'll
Sure.
surely help you out.
Thank you. So thank you so much, Gurkirat, for taking out some time to talk to us and sharing your experience. We're sure that this would help our viewers in understanding the intricacies of your work profile. So I think it was a great talk. I absolutely enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Share it with someone who will benefit from this, and see you all in the next episode. Thank you.